G'day, this is Oz ADV Rider, just out of Yarra Junction today. Doing a bit of a shorter ride, done some really long rides lately. Doing some tracks I may or may not have done before. This isn't looking familiar so far. I come through here with Andy a couple of years ago from First Light ADV. I'm not sure exactly what tracks we did. Anyway, we'll see what we can find. I'm on Buffer Brake Road at the moment. So I've actually got the crash bars off the bike at the moment. Makes me a little bit nervous. Yeah, they're just a bit bent. Look. The ones that were on there, they're just a bit big and they stick out a long way. I'd like something a little bit smaller. Something lighter. They're actually 6 kilograms for the pair of them. Yeah, this does look familiar. That's Coppice, and that is, oh, that's still Condon. Yeah, we want to go that way. Well, no, if this is the hill I'm thinking of, it's pretty bloody hard. Staying in this rut. It's a bit rough, but far out. Oh, fuck. I could get up that Sena bit, but honestly I don't have the confidence to do it. If you lose balance and need to put your foot down, there's nothing there. I've done it before and your foot goes into a rut and she's all over. Now what am I doing here? Just need to get that back wheel over a bit. Yeah, I thought I would have got up that bit, but even if I did, I don't think I would have got the next bit. It looked pretty gnarly. I think I had a good old crack at it. Whoa, good old crack at it, didn't I? Oh. Well, I'll give my welding a test out today on my bash plate. I cracked it on that bloody rock pretty good. Right, over, try this way. Oh, I knew that front wheel would want to do that. Righto. Bloody hell. Turned into a bit of a shit fight, hasn't it? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I remember this one. I did this with Andy going the other way. I think we just stick to the rut. I don't want to fall there that way. Oh, what do we got over this side? Similar problem, I don't want to slide down that way, do I? If I could get over there into the rut. Straight into that big ass stick. Yeah, I got bogged in this. Bloody hell. What the fuck? How soft is this shit? Oh, bloody hell. Fucking soft as. Not getting over that. Gotta say, I'm a bit confused. Thought I'd come out here and make sense of these tracks. That's where I stopped when I first come in. Yeah, I've come down that before. That's not as bad as it looks. We'll go up there. Oh, that's where I was just trying to come out of. Let's go and have a look down here. Oh, look at that. That's where I was, right there. Far out. I knew I was bloody close to the end of it. I could see myself getting stuck in that mud though. And that's Britannia range up there, which doesn't look too inviting, does it? Bit of a look up here. Tracks off everywhere. That's what's so bloody confusing. Oh, wow. Oh, some big ass rocks up there. How you going? Yeah, no, I'm just looking.
Lots of fucking waves it is.
Yeah, fucking huge, isn't it? Let me turn that off. Righto, those guys are struggling on enduro bikes. He's just like, no way, mate. So it's alright, I'm just looking, Alright, I'm going to go up Burns Road, see if I can get up to Groom Hill, I think it's called. Oh, bloody hell. Here we are. Right here. Well, this is Groom Hill. Far out. What a shame. There's freaking car bits everywhere. Well, that was a bit sad. Right, back on Burns Road. Oh, that's nicer through here, isn't it? Ah, look at that. Wow, far out. It has been cut. Far out, look at that. What is holding that up? So that, yeah, that rock was there. They must have moved one of the rocks. Yeah, I come under here and through there somehow. So I don't think that rock's been moved. Yep, creek is still over the road. Check out that tree. That one hasn't been cleared. And the water's all running down the road too. Oh, okay, back to this intersection. Yeah, I'm going to take his hard spur. It's not very nice, that road. It's alright once you get to Summer Spur, that's good fun. We'll take this one though. Yeah, it's been a fun day today. Apart from those first couple of tracks that were just a bit too rough for me to handle. And a big mud pit that was a bit too muddy for my liking. yeah, ended up having a good ride still. Yeah, it's interesting seeing Burns Road that I've done before and had that big tree down, so it's been cut. Izzard, I've done that twice from the other direction. Both times I've had trees down there. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.